Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about Bubble Trends. Bubble Trends is my go-to when it comes to finding profitable Redbubble keywords. I'm going to talk about how to use Bubble Trends. I am currently using the free version of Bubble Trends to help me expose dozens of winning Redbubble tags that you can get started using today. Now I'm thinking of doing a similar series to Amazon KDP low competition, high demand keywords, the same for Redbubble. So if you agree with me on this and you're ready to dive in with me on the profitable Redbubble keywords, I can do this on a weekly basis. We can discuss these together and reveal some really winning Redbubble tags. Please comment down below so I know that you're interested in these kinds of videos. Now, this is not a promotion for Bubble Trends. It's basically talking about my experience on using this wonderful free tool. And this is basically one of my favorite methods for conducting keyword research for trending keywords, because it's a really great keyword research tool. It's fantastic and it allows you to view phrases that are currently trending, and this is something that does take quite a long time. If you're able to do this manually on the Redbubble platform, where you go in the search bar and you enter letter by letter, watch the results, it's just too time consuming. So the search results are included in the results page on the Bubble Trends platform, and these are refreshed every 24 hours to help to save you time. Now they do have a paid version. I have not tried their paid version as of yet because I would like to keep my costs minimal, but hopefully looking into it when I decide to take my Redbubble journey on the next level. So when it comes to evergreen keywords, I increase the formula to produce 500 results instead of the 300. And this really helps. So I'll go into the Redbubble platform, the Bubble Trends website, which is bubbletrends.heroculp.com/trends. You can find the exact URL in the description box below. And I focus on the specific tags that have 500 results, and this really helps as well. So 500 and below is what I focus on. What happens if you don't want to use a Bubble Trends? Well, there's another alternative that's out there. People are talking about it. It has great reviews. Honestly, I haven't used it, but you might want to check and look into it. This is a tag generator, which generates top selling tags for niches on Redbubble to help you get more sales, and you can access that in the description box below. The URL is a bubblecr.ch/generator. So what's my next step after finding these profitable tags, Redbubble tags, using Bubble Trends? This is my strategy right there. After finding a set of profitable keywords, which basically we talked about how they need to be 500 results or below, I head over to my favorite platform for designing, which is Creative Fabrica, and I search up the designs under each of the tags I collected. If you're not familiar with Creative Fabrica, it is a great platform which allows users to buy a subscription plan or individually purchase graphics, fonts, and templates. You can find a discount code in the description box below for a trial to access Creative Fabrica for you guys to check it out. They also offer full commercial rights, and there are also some free designs that can be accessed on the platform. Now personally, I do have a subscription plan, allows me unlimited number of downloads. So what happens after I've searched the profitable tags, I've collected them from Bubble Trends, opted them into a Google Documents spreadsheet. I go manually one by one, search them on Creative Fabrica. Is there any designs for that? Yes, I'm off. I'm downloading these designs. There's no designs, I just go to Canva. I create designs using the elements section, which preferably I'd start with text-based designs if that's a possibility. And if I did get some designs from Creative Fabrica, I go ahead then and upload these to Canva. I modify them, I add elements, different colors, fonts, graphics, anything that makes them unique, and then I re-upload to Redbubble. I also do promotion. My main promotion platforms are Facebook and Pinterest, and I do that on a weekly basis. I dedicate a full working day 8-hour day to Redbubble per week, and this is to help in kind of making sure that I give it time because I'm working on other projects at the moment, but I still want to dedicate some time. So it's that one full day a week working on Redbubble, everything to do with designing, with bulk designs as well. Bulk uploading is what I do during that day. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.